all turned on after everyone has gone. It's too late, late to call home. The charge is dying on my phone. After I'll put down my guitar and they're closing out the bar. And then the last words all are said, and now I'm all alone in bed with the ringing in my ears, flooding on my fears. And I can barely stand, hungover from the adrenaline. After the morning after the dying laughter, I'm left with what really matters, and my confidence is shattered. After the moment passes, lipstick on empty glasses, wondered if this really matters, and my confidence is shattered. And I'm trying to get to bed to do it all over again.